Hey buddy, this is a detailed video tutorial about how to install Python 3.6 on Windows. This method works on Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10, and the process is exactly same. Basically, first we will see if Python is installed and then install it. And finally, I will show you how to check which version of Python you're running. To check if Python is already installed on your Windows computer, open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows logo on the taskbar or pressing the Alt key on your keyboard. Now start typing command prompt and the first result should be the one we are looking for. Alternatively, you can open a run box and type in cmd. Now click on it. Note that I have customized my command prompt, so yours might look different, but the commands are exactly same. Here, type in the command Python. If you get the error, Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, then you don't have Python installed. Instead, if it shows something like this, then you have Python installed. In that case, you don't need to follow this video. I recommend you to click on the top right corner to watch another video from this channel. Now that you know if Python is installed or not, let's continue with the installation. Firstly, open your internet browser. For this video, I will be using Google Chrome. Once you have done that, head over to python.org. One cool thing here is that you can click on this yellow button to have a Python console online without installing any software or independent of your operating system. But as we want to install on our Windows PC, hover over the Downloads menu at the navigation bar. If you're looking for a specific release, then click on the All Releases link. To download the Python installer for Windows, click on either of these buttons according to the version you want. For this tutorial, I will install Python 3.6. Depending on your browser, it will directly download or ask you where to save it. If asked, save the installer executable at a rememberable location. Once the download has completed, launch the downloaded installer executable by clicking on it. So here is the Python installer. Make sure you check on the Add Python 3.6 to pop. If you don't do it, you cannot access the command Python on your Windows command prompt. After doing that, click on the Install Now button to start installing Python 3.6 on your Windows computer. The installation may take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes depending on your computer speed. Once completed, you should see something like this. If you see the screen, then your installation was successfully completed. Now click on the Close button. Let's launch the command prompt once again. Now type in the command Python again. As you can see, if you get a prompt like this, then Python is installed on your machine. This here is the version of Python that is installed on your machine. Python is a very good language for beginners as well as a powerful language for advanced developers. So with Python installed, you can use some great modules in your projects even if you don't actually develop Python applications. So that was it for this video. Please hit the like button if you liked this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. This is Wasn't Developer, signing off.